Welcome back, scale modelers, to SMKR. Up next is another Arma hobby scale model kit. This time it's the expert set of the PZL P.7a 1/72 scale, kit number 7006. I did do a review earlier on the PZL P.7a in the deluxe boxing, which included 2 kits along with the resin bits that go along with that kit. Now this is a completely new boxing, which includes 4 new decal options for the aircraft. The only difference here is there's only 1 aircraft in this box, and no resin accessories for this. So let's open this up. And give me a second, I'll go ahead and take this out. We'll give it a quick look. And this is what was contained within. We have our clear parts here and photo etch, masks, and looks like some other markings contained in there. And of course the instructions. We should have the decals found within the instructions, and here's the decals. We'll look at those a little closer. And in the previous review I did show you a close-up of what you'll do to build this. So in this one what I'll do is I'll give you a close-up of the decal options, the markings for this aircraft. And lastly, we'll go ahead and look at the sprues. And as you can see here, this one looks okay as compared before. One of the sprues I got with the last review, it was short shot, it was missing. You can see that the injected plastic was very short, and it did give us some evidence of being short shot. So I explained that a little more in the previous video. Of course, the upper wing, great detail there. The lower wing, the fuselage, the inside of the fuselage, horizontal stabilizer, again the horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer, and you'll see it does need some cleanup, and the other side, a little bit of a sink mark going on there. Pilot seat, parts of the internal floor, the prop spinner, the engine, engine cowling, the wheels and tires, the engine cowlings, the other side of the fuselage, internal details, the propellers, wing struts, landing gear struts, engine exhaust pipes, and you can see just a little bit of evidence of the short shot of plastic, and the instrument panel, and 2 different windscreens are provided. the masks, acetate for the instrument panels and windscreens, since they do give us photo etch for the frame. And here's a photo etch brass. Lots of tiny parts there. And all the decals provided for 4 aircraft. Additional decals were found within the little bag with photo etch. Let's get a closer look. And these decals aren't as glossy as the ones found in the P-51 kit. Here's a history of the aircraft in English. It's also provided in Polish. The paint colors. The first paint scheme. The second paint scheme. Third paint scheme. And the fourth paint scheme. And there you have it. That was an open box review of the Arma Hobby Expert Set PZL P.7a, the Polish fighter aircraft from World War II in 1/72nd scale. 7006 is the kit number, the second release for this, as I did do a review on the deluxe kit, and you can find links down below for all the reviews I did on all the Arma kits. So head down there if you want to see those. Anyway, it's a fantastic model. This particular model in itself does have issues with being short shot, so make sure you check yours when you receive yours. But other than that, it's a fantastic kit, highly detailed, and I would recommend it. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. And please smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.